This is You Can Change Vegan. Hey there, today we're making these vegan baked cinnamon donuts. Preheat your oven to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. The donut batter is really easy to make. Just combine the dry ingredients, which are plain flour, baking powder or soda, caster sugar, cinnamon, nutmeg and salt. We'll give that a little stir. Now we add in our wet ingredients. We've got plant milk, melted vegan butter and vanilla. Lightly whisk the mixture until a smooth batter forms like this. Now that the batter's made, we'll prepare our donut trays. Just give them a spray of oil so the donuts don't stick. Transfer the batter into a jug or piping bag to make it easier, and then start pouring it into the holes. Fill each hole about half full so they can rise, and scrape off any batter from the center so they keep their shape. Place them in the preheated oven. While the donuts are baking, we'll make our cinnamon sugar. Just add sugar and cinnamon, and then give it a stir, and then that's done. Bake for around 18 minutes until golden brown like this. Gently run a spoon around the outside to help remove the donuts. Once the donuts have cooled down a bit, give the tops a light spray of oil, flip them all over, and lightly spray the other side. Press both sides into the cinnamon sugar, and then place on a wire rack to cool completely. These cinnamon donuts look and taste great. Now you can enjoy. They'll stay fresh in a container for a few days. Thanks for watching this recipe video. Thanks to all of my subscribers, and check out more of my vegan recipe videos linked here.